YouTube, what's going on? Tech King Mike back with another video for you guys. And in this video, we're gonna keep this real short and simple because I respect your time and I'm not gonna drag this out. But I want to talk about one of the hardest things I've had to do when it comes to my technology. Personal tech, everyday tech, whatever you want to call it. I have always carried two devices. I've always carried two devices. And it's usually always been a Samsung Ultra or Note and whatever Pro Max iPhone is out. But this year things are different. And for the first time in a long time, I'm not keeping a Galaxy Ultra because I feel like this one is Ultra enough. Shout out to the later case, by the way. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra checks every single box that I needed to check. So much so that it's even checking some boxes better than this one. Now, there are some people out there that would say it's ludicrous, it's madness to exchange or trade a S26 Ultra for a Z Fold 8 Ultra. And I'm gonna go ahead and just say that I'm one of those people. I'm crazy. Because here's the thing, all right? I'm gonna keep holding both of them up so you know which one I'm talking about. I'm gonna say S26U and ZF8U, whatever. The battery on this far exceeds the battery on this. Both of them are 5,000 milliamp hours. And I get much better battery life out of this than I ever was out of using this phone. The telephoto is better on this one. I don't really use the telephoto that often. As many times as I take pictures of my kids and of anything else that I want to actively take pictures of, I go and take a picture. I'm usually about this close anyway. I'm never so far back that I have to zoom in 10, 20, 100 times, right? So the zoom is not a big deal. Another non-factor, cases. Okay, cases fit amazing for this phone, but let's also talk about the fact that Samsung cases don't really get that big of a push as opposed to iPhone cases. Yeah, because it's a slab phone, it's easy to make a case for it. But when you find a good case for a ZF8 Ultra that just makes the phone feel like a case is barely even there, again, shout out to the later case, front and back with the Willy Do color. It's hard to go from something that's this thick, okay, this thick without a case to something that's that thick with one. Come on, man. What are we talking about? Okay, the S26 Ultra has a large display. So does this one. Like literally, so does this one. Shout out to sleep mode, by the way. So yeah, it's hard for me to justify staying with it knowing that I'm getting the better experience out of this. And for the first time when it comes to these foldable devices, I am so content with this phone that at the time of the recording of this video, I'm just gonna hold them up for you. This is for sale. My Apple Watch Ultra 3 is for sale. And not only is it for sale, but so are my AirPods Pro 3s. So if you're looking for some, hit me up in the comments. But those devices are for sale because my Galaxy Watch Ultra 3 is getting far better battery life than I ever got on my Apple Watch. I've gone running with this watch, walks. I've even done some kettlebell exercises that I was able to log as like weight training per se. But I've done enough with this watch that I want to keep this over the Apple Watch. And I like how it looks too. And as far as the headphones go, I love the Google features with the Buds 4 Pro as opposed to Siri. I know somebody's gonna say, well, it's got Gemini. There's a bug flying around. I know someone's gonna say, well, it's got Gemini now. That's cool. Good for you and good for Apple. But the experience I have with the Samsung ecosystem has far exceeded my expectations than what I have had with the Apple ecosystem. And it takes me to a place where you tend to get comfortable right? You get comfortable. And this phone, it's not to say that it was a bad phone, because it wasn't. This was probably the best phone of the year to a lot of people. But it just felt like that's what it was supposed to be. And I know that might not make sense to some of you out there, but it didn't feel remarkable. It felt very unremarkable in a very Samsung typical way. The Z Fold 8 Ultra to some people might be the Z Fold 7S. To me, it's a very remarkable device. Silicon carbon battery, great cameras, ultra level cameras, thin, foldable display. Like, there are so many benefits to this phone that I just feel like it's a no-brainer. So for me, this video was a little difficult to make because I was really hesitant. I'm talking about hesitant to the point that today was the last day for me to make the decision on if I was not going to send my S26 Ultra in. And I'm sending it in. I'm resetting it tonight, doing a backup on it. I'm resetting it and I'm packing it up, and I'm gonna drop it off tomorrow to make sure that it gets back where it needs to be. So one time for the one time, if you got one poured out for the S26 Ultra from Samsung, being replaced by the Z Fold 8 Ultra. So that being said, hey, if you enjoyed this video, man, go ahead and drop a like down below, comment, talk to me, holler at me in the chat, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We're on our way to 4,000 subscribers, and then we're going to keep on chugging away. So I'm trying to see if we might be able to hit 5,000 before the end of the year. We'll see what happens. But that being said, I hope you all continue to enjoy your day, and thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.